chmod is a command to give permission to a file. Is a command to set the file permission. Okay, we can use this command in this command in two different ways. Okay, first one set all new permission next only particular permission. We will see what these two types with example, then we will get idea. Okay, now before going to discuss this thing, like one second, previously we seen what is the permission by default permission for ABC file, rw or hyphen, right? And we discuss this 3 for user, this 3 for group, this 3 for other. Right? Now in Linux, the file permissions are represented octal. Okay, this is one thing. In Linux, the file permissions represents in the octal format. Okay, it means, see, 110 110 100, right? Now tell me octal number 664, right? So if anyone asks what is the permission for ABC file, you have to say 664 octal, right? So that's why you have to put 0 in front. Okay. So this is the representation of file permission in Linux. Okay, in Linux the file permissions are represented in the octal format. Okay, 0664. Okay, now I want to change the permission of user. I want to change the permission of user. I want to set execute. What is the octal representation? 111, right? Now what is the octal? 7, right? So now the new permission xi is 764. Is it clear, right? Now we will see these two things. Set all new permissions, only particular permission. Okay, so I'm opening Linux. What is the command? chmod. I want to change the permission for user 0764. After that, file name. Now see. Okay, done. Now see. Previously for user of rw hyphen. Now rwx also there. So we set the new permission. Now we set the new permission, right? Okay, this comes under set a new permission to all the files.
Love our content? Hit subscribe for more awesome videos. We'll see you in the next one.